To complement government efforts, some stakeholders have joined in the fight against combating the COVID-19 disease, which is now in the third wave and cited 3 times even more deadly than the first 2 waves. To this effect, the National Health Insurance Management Authority, NHIMA, has embarked on a venture aimed at sensitizing members of the general public in markets and bus stations on the causes, the transmissions, and the preventive measures of the disease. NHIMA Senior Public Relations Officer Mutolo Mwamba says the venture is conducted under corporate social responsibility, and it is not only focused in Lusaka alone, but in all other 10 provinces of the country.
So that we know that it's almost impossible for us to tell them to social distance because of the traders, because of space, and many other challenges. So we are here to encourage them to wear face masks and wear them correctly, and wash their hands as many times as possible where they can also have access to hand sanitizers. So we'll be to many other markets within Lusaka and countrywide. This is a countrywide campaign that we have embarked on as NHIMA. Like I said, our CSR, part of our CSR is actually to prevent diseases from occurring.
And Zambia National Marketeers Credit Association, ZANAMACA President Kapila Kumeya says marketeers have a huge relevance in driving the country's economy, hence the need to ensure that they have correct knowledge on how to keep safe from the COVID-19 pandemic.
For granted, many institutions, not only in Zambia, but across the world, they are working virtually. They are working virtually. They are doing their business virtually. So what will happen with a marketeer when they say, no, let's also work virtually? You cannot sell a product, you cannot sell tomatoes virtually. So we want to make sure that our markets are well secured in terms of, creating a very serious awareness from the leadership into the marketeers. The consumers that are entering the gates must always be checked. No one should enter a market without a mask like we are seeing there. No. So this is very serious. Let's help our government, let's help our president, let's help our leadership. Thank you.
Meanwhile, one of the beneficiaries and the section leader of BH Soweto Market in Lusaka, Ms. Mary Chewe, says it is the responsibility of every citizen to prevent the spread of the disease, and she is therefore urging fellow marketeers to abide by the COVID rules and regulations.
Ndava vose vamene vichitika market veve vangenesa mu politics. But pali ya matenda za politics ichokepo ndava ili serious. Second wave yapitilira pa mawezi yonse yamene yanayambirira pa kumbuyo kwatu komenta chokera. Iyeve serious. And si chifunika kuti wakati usebenzisa politics upaise na banzako vamene vali concerned na chija chino. Kufunika kuyikirako maningi nzeru lero bazibe kuti pongena muno market definitely afunika onkala na mask ngati alibe ogulisa na ogula asangene mu market bakuti tichite protect matenda.
All the duty bearers were speaking to Movie TV News in Lusaka during the sensitization venture of marketeers on the preventive measures of the COVID-19. Reporting for Movie TV News, Namangolwa Mundia.